Hey cookie creators and lovers alike, I'm Gabby. March is upon us. And for anyone who's seen my gender reveal cookie episode, you know that means that this little cookie's almost ready to make her debut. I've loved sharing my cookie creations and recipes with all of you over the last 8 months. I could have never imagined the overwhelming support and viewership I would gain in such a short time. I'm extremely thankful and look forward to sharing many creations, recipes, and techniques with all of you in the future. I'll be taking an intermission for a little while my husband and I get to know our little girl and adjust to our new life as a family. In the meantime, I'll still be there to answer your comments and questions, as well as take feedback on the type of content you'd like to see in the future, so keep it coming. Thank you again for all your support by liking, subscribing, and sharing my videos. This is not goodbye, it's just so long. Till next time, stay sweet!